Okay, so we're going to continue our dimensional analysis problems. This problem here is around an easy to medium problem. This is a classic problem in chemistry, and you'll see it in your first chapter in your chemistry textbook. Alright, so the second problem reads, an infant acetaminophen suspension contains 80 mg per 0.8 ml suspension. The recommended dose is 15 mg per kilogram body weight. How many mLs of this suspension should be given to an infant weighing 14 pounds? So the first rule is to start with the required unit. Alright, so the required unit in this problem will be what? How many mLs? Alright, that's the unit. So we put mLs. Milliliters is the required unit. Okay, so we're going to start with mLs. We look at our problem and we try to figure out what has mLs in it. Alright, so here 80 mg per 0.80 mLs. Alright, so we're going to start with that. 0.80 mLs. That's going to be over 80 mg. So what has milligrams in it? Here. 15 milligrams per 1 kilogram. So 15 mg over 1 kilogram. At this point, you go to your unit conversion table in your textbook. And in your textbook, you'll find that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20 pounds. 2.025 pounds. Alright, so 1 kilogram over 2.205 pounds. Right? And to cancel out the pounds, here in the problem is 14 pounds. Okay? So let's cancel out our units. One thing you have to remember is if you can't cancel out the units, you made a mistake somewhere. Alright? So let's cancel out the units. Pounds here, pounds, kilogram, kilogram, mgs, mgs. Here, we're left with the required unit of mLs. The required unit. We're left with this. The required unit, which is the mLs. Okay, so let's take our calculators out and do the calculations. 0.80 divided by 80. Multiply that by 15. Right. Divide this number by 2.205. Right, and multiply it by 14. And you're left with 0.95 mLs.